Hey friends, Trevor here with Derksen Portable Buildings, and I've got 4 great reasons why you should invest your tax return with a Derksen Portable Building this tax season. Let's get into it. First off, you needed some extra space and you don't want to commit to a permanent structure? Well, Derksen's got you. All of our buildings are completely portable. They provide additional storage for all your personal items. Maybe you need a backyard office because you know what? Everybody's working from home these days. Maybe a workshop or even a temporary living space. Derksen's got a building for you. Second, they're cost effective. You using your tax return to invest in a Derksen building can provide you with tangible benefits without racking up the big costs that are usually associated with permanent structures. That sounds like savings to me. 3, quick installation. You can start using your space sooner rather than later, which is usually associated with larger construction projects. Nice. And finally, flexibility. Since portable buildings aren't permanent structures, they offer that flexibility, whether you're looking to relocate or repurpose your building with your ever-changing needs. Now, whether you're looking to invest in a best value building to store all your gardening equipment, a metro shed to keep all your pool supplies in your backyard, a greenhouse to extend your growing season all year long, a lofted barn wood workbench to have an at-home workshop, or maybe even a platinum cabin, just like this one, for a backyard office or even a temporary living space. Derksen has a variety of buildings completely customizable to fit your needs.